Sustainable packaging solutions. Your customers want it, you want it. No matter where you are in your sustainability journey, it can be tough to know how to get to the next level. Here's the good news. We're not only packaging design experts, we're supply chain experts, which means we can spot opportunities to improve sustainability at every turn. Our secret sauce? Collaboration, customization, expertise. Take a look. First, we listen to understand your goals, market tensions, and insights. Then we get started on creative ideation and material options, collaborating with you along the way. We have unmatched product category breadth to source and develop the best materials for the job, such as responsibly sourced materials, recycled and renewable content, recyclable, reusable, and compostable materials. And we have one of the largest networks of design and engineering professionals in the world, all who focus on customizing solutions to fit your unique business needs. We've got testing labs to ensure durability, a metrology lab just for validation and innovation, and lifecycle analysis tools to calculate environmental impacts. We manage costs, minimize risks, and oversee quality process at every step. Then, we simply execute. True sustainability is a never-ending journey, and we're here for it. We call it Big Picture Packaging Design Optimized for the Supply Chain and Sustainability. You can call it a sigh of relief.